Welcome to this explainer. Let's dive right into the hidden, high-stakes world of healthcare hygiene.
So what do you think is the absolute best way to stop deadly hospital infections?
The stakes are wild. Every single year, nearly 2 million patients get infected while hospitalized.
And tragically, about 90,000 of those patients in the US actually die from them.
The answer? Just clean hands. They're quite literally the biggest factor in stopping the spread.
But get this, historically, healthcare workers only actually wash their hands about 40% of the time.
Why so low? Well, sinks are inconvenient, soap ruins skin, and they're just super busy.
The fix is actually pretty simple. Alcohol-based hand rubs totally outperform traditional soap and water.
Look at this data. Alcohol rubs wipe out harmful bacteria way faster than regular soap.
Time is a huge deal here. Traditional hand washing steals 56 whole minutes from a nurse's shift.
But switching to alcohol rubs slashes that exact same routine down to just 18 minutes.
Surprisingly, this also busts a massive myth. Alcohol rubs do not dry out your hands. In fact, data proves alcohol rubs actually improve skin health, unlike harsh soap scrubbing.
Now, hygiene isn't just about soap. Strict rules say natural nails must stay under a quarter inch.
Why? Because fake nails harbor super dangerous bacteria even after you scrub them thoroughly.
Even in high-stakes surgery, these alcohol rubs are completely safe and incredibly effective.
Studies actually prove alcohol rubs in surgery don't increase infection risks compared to old-school water scrubs.
And gloves? Not foolproof. You've got to toss them right after a patient and never wash them.
To boost adherence, hospitals are handing out pocket-sized hand rubs to make hygiene totally hyper-accessible.
But a quick warning, let the alcohol completely dry to prevent rare static fire risks. So, next time you touch a surface, ask yourself, what invisible ecosystems are living on your fingertips?